Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's get spooky with these Halloween cupcake designs. Get some chocolate cupcakes, pipe on whipped cream of various colours, stick on googly eyes, and there you have some monsters. For our next design we've got an orange cupcake, piping on orange buttercream and sticking on an Oreo cookie designed as a bat. Then get another orange cupcake, pipe on chocolate buttercream, spoon on some cocoa powder, add an RIP jelly and a worm jelly and place some stone chocolates around. It looks just like a grave. Finally, we've got a pink cupcake and we're cutting a hole in the middle, scooping out the inside so we can add strawberry jam. Cover it with light pink buttercream. Then pipe some more in a pattern which looks like brains. Stick on a couple of googly eyes and give it a squeeze. And there we have 3 deliciously spooky cupcake designs. Enjoy!